Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Happy Trader here. Wanted to do a quick video. Today is Friday, November 10th, 2023, and this will not be a live trading video. This is going to be just a market analysis video. How we use Happy Trader Sentiment AI with Trend, our proprietary indicator that looks under the hood of the market. We get uptrend signals, which tell us when to buy, downtrend signals tell us when to sell. Sometimes it's a scalp, sometimes it's a big ripper. Today we have a huge Friday ripper rally, right? One of these crazy rallies. And what's cool about when the futures pre-market, are non-divergent. Let's pull up the market tab here in TradingView, and it's just fantastic. That's why we developed our product for TradingView. Just everything's right there. We have all of our indexes right here. We have the S&P, the NASDAQ. You see the NASDAQ's up 2%. And then the Dow's even up almost 1%. That's a pretty big deal. Now, what's cool is when you get your uptrend signal, these are our trading signals that we use, the uptrend and the downtrend confirmation signals. Now, sometimes these are in a flatter market. If you get this like flat line on our trend, you can see that there's a few of those flat line, flat line, flat line. But if you start to get an uptrend signal on a buy with a green trend, that's good news. Now, something really, really cool about this is that you're probably, a lot of people are thinking, especially right here, they're like, well, oh wow, that's a sell signal, time to sell, right? The thing is, when looking at these signals, when you have these buy signals, when everything's up pre-market, all three indexes, they're non-divergent, everything's to the upside, and you get a buy signal right off of the bell, and then you get a subsequent uptrend signal very soon thereafter, that's going to be an indication of amplitude. Now, with Happy Trader, we're not just examining, lagging indicators, right? So we're looking under the hood of the market. We're looking at sentiment data. We're looking at AI data. We're looking at newsfeed data, and we're kind of putting it all into a beautiful little recipe that gives us these simple buy and sell signals. So when this uptrend signal is correlating with the indexes being up pre-market, correlating with the market getting bought up right in the beginning of the day, and then we had this little glitch of a sell, right? But that was really just flat lines. Whenever we see flat lines here, let's go ahead and just disable this. Okay, whenever we see flat lines, that could be the indication of a weaker trend, as you can see on these previous days, right? So, and even overnight markets, Globex markets. Now, if we go to the previous, let's just kind of reel this in a little bit. You can see that our last major downtrend did the same thing, right? So we had an opening, and then we had this was yesterday, Thursday, then we had our downtrend signal right off the bat. Now, did it try to fake up? We got our downtrend signal here because it sold off rapidly. Did it try to get bought up? Yes. So would you have taken a drawdown? Yes. But if you know how to manage your size and leg into positions, or use micros, maybe buy a micro on the signal, wait for the pullback, add another micro. If it keeps pulling back, add another micro. And if this downtrend goes away, just close the position or have your stop loss in place. But you can see that this would have resulted in just a huge move, but nothing compared to the move from today. So case in point, when you're using, let me take away the indicator so that way you just have no idea what's happening. You see pre-market, you just have no clue. And you can see these sell-offs here, just kind of, you don't know if that's going to keep going down. But when you have the indicator and you turn it back on, you can get a way better idea of what is actually going on. And again, the closer uptrend is to the buy signal, and you can see that buy signal hiding behind there, so close that it's covering the other signal, that's going to be an amplitude signal, right? So that's going to tell you, hey, if we don't have a trend, an Illuma trend, that's, showing a straight line, and we have this kind of like choppy up pattern, that's going to be a pretty high amplitude day, and then confirmed by all of the indexes being up. So again, that was just a short little lesson on how to use Sentiment AI with Illuma trend on a Ripper Rally, free money Friday, as I like to call it, type of day. But enjoy your weekend. Have a great day and happy trading.